Okay, let's talk about a couple of ways to change the colors that you've already painted on something. I'm going to click on my orange circle layer. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Two ways to do it. The first one, image, adjustments, hue and saturation. I much preferred the keyboard shortcut, which is Command or Control on a PC, U. Anyway, hue and saturation. And you'll see I get this box here, which has got a color spectrum along the top for the hue, which is the color, a saturation spectrum, I guess you could say, and a lightness and darkness. First of all, let's play with the color. I can drag this cursor along and I can view all the different colors I could change this to. This can be incredibly useful because you can actually see in front of you what you like. And this is completely changing the actual color, okay? Moving it along the color spectrum. The saturation, these colors are already very intense, so taking that up is not going to do much. With other colors or other hand-painted elements, that will make a huge difference. But what I can do is drag it down to take the intensity of the color out of it, and I can take it all the way back to no color, which will just give me a gray. So that can be really very useful. So that's one way to change the color. Another way is, I might stay on that same circle, is by color balance. So again, up here, image, adjustments, color balance. So we're working now within the color that's there, but we're going to effectively tint the color, take it towards certain directions. And I've got 3 sliders to play with here. From cyan to red, not changing it much. Magenta to green, maybe I could drag it towards green, and yellow to blue. So this is a very clear, intense color, in fact. So it's changing pretty subtly, but you can see the changes. So if I hit OK, and then if I go Command Z to undo, you'll subtly see it. Or if I redo the color balance, it's a very subtle change, but you can make much more noticeable changes than that. And this is a way of being very, very subtle with it. And you can actually go back into that tool repeatedly and then keep making those changes. So you can take a color a very long way through doing that. So 2 very simple, very key ways to change colors.